What is up, guys, and welcome back. So as in the previous video, we worked with this website, we installed WordPress in it. And if you are not willing to buy web hosting right now, or if you think that you should not invest in and you are here for just learning purposes, then you have another option, and that is to get web hosting for free and also the domain name. But this is not recommended by me, cause that is the free web hosting, and free web hosting servers cannot support much traffic, so that after when your website will receive some traffic, your website will be suspended by them, and they will basically suspend your account and you cannot access your website. Okay, so that is why your account will be deleted and your data will be deleted. That is why I would highly recommend you to go with this professional method. Invest just $150, and that is only for 3 years. You don't have to invest it after that. But if you still don't want to invest right now, then you have another option, and that is to go with the atsnx.com. So atsnx.com does not work with Chrome. I don't know why. They must have some problem. You can go with the Internet Explorer and you can just create your account there. So let's go ahead and let's go to atsnx.com. Okay, and then this website gives you free web hosting and a free domain name. Okay, so let's go down, and here we can see that we have a button that says register now. I have to just click this and it's gonna take me down. I have to basically sign up right now here. So the domain name that I'm gonna be registering would be my great site. Okay, so my URL is going to be my create site.atsnx.com. My password is going to be this, and my email address is going to be this. Okay, now I have to enter the CAPTCHA 0C933. Let's go ahead and let's hit sign up, and there we go. You can see that it says an activation email has now been sent to the email address. Please click the activation link in the email to activate this account. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open up my mail account. I'm gonna go to Outlook, and let's go to other. Let's see if we have received the email. So we haven't received the email right here. I'm going to go to the junk email to check if I have received any email in the junk section. Okay. I haven't received the email yet. Okay. Let's come here, and you can see that it says, if you have not received the email after 10 minutes, please click here to resend the email. So it hasn't been 10 minutes. You have to wait approximately 10 minutes. Make sure to keep a check on your this and your junk items as well. Okay, so you will receive the email address after some time. So let's wait. Okay, so here we go. You can see that it says atsnx.com activation link. So it gave me the email right after like 4 minutes approximate. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this, and here we go. You can see please click on the link below to activate your account. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this, and my account should be activated. So it is authenticating, it is initializing the username. You have to wait. Username has been created. You have to wait till everything is done. It is installing the Apache. Let's wait till it is done. If don't just close this tab and don't do anything wrong, otherwise your site won't load. Okay, so you can see that it says DNS zone created and everything. So let's wait and let's see. So this is stuck. Okay, this usually happens to free web hosting, basically, guys. I don't know why, but since they are giving you everything for free, that is why their servers are also not so good. Okay, so you can see that if this doesn't load, then go and check your mail. Do not close this tab until your account is fully active. You can see that it says your new hosting account. Make sure that you copy your URL. Okay, and then paste it right here and see if your website loads. Okay, you can see that it says congratulations, your account has been activated. Log into the cPanel to make some edits. If this window does not come, do not close this window. Okay, since this is coming, this means that our website is totally done and we can close this tab. Okay, and now we have to log into our cPanel. So how we are gonna log in, we have to copy the cPanel URL. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna paste this URL Here we go. I'm gonna copy my username. And now here, I'm gonna copy my password. So I have to paste it right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit login. And here we go. You can see that I am in the C panel. Here I can manage everything. What I have to do, I have to go down. And here I have to see this Softaculous apps installer in the software tab. You have to just open this up, and it's going to open a new window, and we have to install WordPress basically into our C panel or in our this domain name. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here, I'm going to hit install, and this WordPress should be installed. And you can see that the domain name is coming mygreatsite.adsnx.com. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna choose the root directory because I want to install it on the root directory or the main directory, so that if someone visits this page, he should see WordPress. Right here we have our site name. You can enter your site name here. That should be like this. So you can see that if I hover my mouse, you can see it says this site name, Tanzila Rahman, and just another WordPress website is the tagline. Okay, so you can see that site name and site description is going to be my blog, my WordPress blog, and then we have the admin username and password. So I'm gonna choose the admin username to be this, and the password is gonna be this. Okay, you can enter your email address here. You have to go down, and you have to hit install now, and it should be installed right now. Okay, so you have to wait for like 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. You can see that it says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open up in a new tab, or you can just come here and refresh this window. Here we go. You can see that it says my blog, my WordPress blog, and here it says this and this. So this is totally same and everything is same, but there is a difference between servers and everything. If this site goes live and people start visiting this website, like if 10 viewers or 100 viewers per day comes to this website is gonna go down. And if 1,000 and more than 1,000 or 100,000 viewers come to this website is never gonna go down. So there's a difference between the paid web hosting and the free web hosting. That is why I would recommend you to go with the main domain name, your perfect domain name, and instead of this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's log into the C panel, and let me show you how this is gonna work. Okay, you have to just enter the wp-admin. Okay, it's gonna take you to the new page, and here we have to enter the username. So my username is gonna be this, and my password would be this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit login, and it's gonna log me into my dashboard. So you can see that this is how my dashboard is looking. Okay, let me just close this window and this window as well. Okay, so you can see that this is how my website is looking. Everything is exactly same as this. Okay, if I just open this up, you can see that this and this is totally same instead of this title and this title. Okay, so you can change the title. I'm gonna show you in depth of the overview of WordPress. What are everything, what are post, media, pages, appearance, how can you choose different themes, how can you customize your theme, what are the widgets, what are the menus, what are the header, and what are the plugins, users, tools, settings, and something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you each and everything in this course, so stay tuned guys, and goodbye.